Well, our main aim was to come and compete against top-level opposition, which over the last year we haven't had the chance to do on a friendly basis. We did well in our last games out in Portugal, won one and obviously lost one. These guys are obviously building for a major competition next week. We took this chance to come and test ourselves, and there's work we need to do. So for us, there are lots of positives to take from the game with regards to how well the girls have competed in certain areas. You know, we were always going to be up against things physically to come and compete against this team at this time of year. Is that an excuse? No. There are things we could have done far better, and we've shown we can do better in the past. So things to work on, but areas to be pleased with as well. This is where the girls want to get to. Right now, this is the only way they can experience that. You know, it's taking a chance to come and take these games and help others build for major competition. You know, for us, this is helping us build towards the World Cup. We're going to be playing teams of this calibre in the next year, and we have to make sure that things that didn't go right for us today go right on the day when we need them to. You know, we have a mix of our younger age groups in the game tomorrow, so we're a great chance to see who's ready to compete at this level. Some of them stepped on the pitch today in the second half and they competed extremely well. So, you know, when I say positives, that's a huge one for us. We have crops of younger players in our under-17s, under-19 national team who are capable of coming and competing at this level. Now we have to give them the experience and the time to develop and learn. Chloe started the game as well, Chloe Shivers, and you know, the pleasing thing about our academy environment that we set up a few years ago is it's working from a developmental point of view. The girls have been there for a year or two and they're getting signed on pro or semi-pro contracts, so that's what it was developed for, and our programs are all about developing players to the next level. Is it early stages in our development? Heck yes, but this will turn out to be a positive. We needed this at this moment in our development. We aren't where we need to be, but we'll get there in the next couple of years.